One quiet night, Boot Police heard a strange sound below the ground.
Woof! What's that spooky noise?
Something was moving under the earth.
Don't worry. I'll figure this out. Boot Police knew he needed help, so he called his trusty partner.
Come quick, Super Ambulance. We've got a mystery.
But the scary noise wasn't danger at all.
It's just mole musicians practicing underground.
Thanks to brave Boot Police, the mystery was solved with a smile. Case closed. Music approved.